pretty high up there in your life to fucking die and still move on.
What if when you died, you were just trapped in your body still, and then they put you in a casket, and then you have to like stay in there for like the thousands of years that it takes for like the ground to move down to the core of the earth, and then you just burn up and then return to the surface of the earth in the form of dirt and ash.
I think you're really dark right now. I think energy can travel through a wooden box and dirt.
What if it was a platinum box?
I think it can travel through that too. I wouldn't look at energy like fucking electricity or some shit.
Well, if it's all the same anyway, it doesn't matter because it all just connects.
Yeah, I'm sure it's like atoms that can pop out and pop in.
Well, and plus at that point it doesn't matter, you know? It's just like, are you a drop of water at the top of the cup or at the bottom?
Yeah, but you're getting too weird though. I think the world is like if you were to put it like that, I think everybody in the world would be about like if you're looking at a tall glass of water, maybe like a little toward the bottom, but not completely at the bottom.
Pretty close to the bottom.
Yeah. I think like maybe like 3 inches up, maybe 2.
So what's your explanation for time and time distortion?
I think time only exists in our plane fucking whatever 24 hours, right? But also like on a different planet, time could change because of the way the planet moves. But either way, the point is that it exists.
How time works is with objects in space, depending on their mass, they distort time on a bigger scale. Like planet Earth, if you were to get in an airplane, it'd fly at the very top of the atmosphere and stayed up there for like a week. Time down on Earth would travel like a couple minutes slower down on Earth than up in the plane. Or actually faster down on Earth than up in the plane.
Well, yeah, because the Earth is moving and you're not.
No, not just time itself. Like, not just like fucking numbers on a clock or anything like that. I mean, like, actual time is distorted. Because they have I can't remember how they did it, but they have a clock somewhere, and then they did something with like a clock. They like elevated it really high or something like that, and then they like studied it or some shit. And the time on that clock moved way slower.
Yeah, but what the fuck was it? Like, what kind of? I got a clock's only programmed to fucking do what it does. Like a watch has gears. Like those gears fucking are always gonna be 24 hours. Nothing's gonna distort that. You know what I mean? What clock do they use? A fucking sundial? Like.
No, I'm pretty sure they used just the fucking clock, probably analog or something. Maybe they probably used digital and analog, both.
Yeah, but that's all programmed shit.
I know it's like programmed, but it literally traveled slower the further away from Earth you get.
Maybe, but are they sure it's not like a gravity thing?
No. Yeah, they are sure. It's because, well, it is gravity, because gravity is caused by a mass of an object. So yeah, gravity distorts time and space.
That's what I'm saying.
It's like a bowling ball. It's like fucking your bed is like time and space, because time and space, they say, is actually one thing. And then if you just dropped a bowling ball on your bed, then it warps down your bed, you know, and that's what the planets do to the plane of time and space.
Yeah, but whatever. I think time, either way, from whether it's on Earth or in space, I think time is still something that exists within our fucking frequency.
Oh, it exists, but the mass of an object distorts it.
Yeah, but I think that's just fucking. I think that's just science, though. I'm sure there's a fucking. I'm sure. Well, I mean, it's nature, or whatever. I'm sure there's a fucking. What's it called for that?
An explanation?
Like, yeah.
Well, of course.
Well, I think there's an explanation for everything, but. Oh, what's the word I'm looking for? Algorithm. I'm sure there's an algorithm for that. Like a fucking equation.
Well, yeah, there's an equation for everything.
No, but do you get what I'm saying, though? Like, I think like a bigger question would be like, I don't think time exists in like a higher frequency. And if it does, it's completely fucking different.
Like in heaven, basically.
Like a different realm of existence.
Different dimension.
Time, different dimension. Not like string theory. String theory is always random. String theory is like different realities. No, string theory is pretty random too. String theory is random. It's like, it's just vibrational. I was trying to explain to Ryan. Well, no, that's all theory though. That's all theory. They don't know that for sure. Because I know what you're talking about, but that's all theory. Unless we send a man into a black hole, which I don't think we've done yet. Who could? Oh no, you can see a black hole. We've spotted a few of them. There's actually one in our galaxy that eventually will fucking eat us up. But we'll probably we'll be way dead by then. But anyways, no, they can't even they can't even test that. I mean, even if that theory is right, and it is, like if they said that theory was right and it would be right, then the time that it would take for that guy to explain what's happening to him in the black hole could take fucking just a lifetime until we got an answer. Or whatever, for numerous reasons. Like, we'd see him go into the black hole and get sucked up for like 5 days. Whereas, in his experience, he'd be sucked up in like 2 seconds. Or maybe vice versa.
It'd be vice versa. To us, it would happen in a matter of seconds. To him, it would feel like an eternity.
Right. And you have no idea where he's going. I think black holes are probably the biggest mystery.
They're making mini black holes with the Hadron Collider over in fucking Switzerland or wherever.
Don't like that at all.
Yeah, neither do I, dude.
Don't like that. That scares the shit out of me. Because I know that they made a black hole machine, and I also know that actually Lowell's dad, he made a fucking sun on Earth. You know that? They made a fucking star on Earth. It took fucking 4 machines, like factory, like the size of football fields, 4 giant generators, just, well, I don't know if they're hadron colliders. They were just to contain it, and they couldn't contain it. It fucking
and it was
out.
super tiny too, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really like the size of maybe a golf ball.
But they said I'm pretty sure they said it burned hotter than the center of the sun.
Maybe it maybe did, but the point is, I don't want that shit on
my Earth.
Yeah, I don't like it when people play around like that. Don't fucking bring a black hole down here. Don't bring a fucking star this close to Earth. You have no idea. Like, it could fuck up Earth so much. Like,
yeah. What if it just
ground? Yeah.
Or just supernovas?
Yeah. Oh no. It would do probably be like the biggest fucking atom bomb in the world.
Yeah, it'd probably be like 10 nuclear bombs.
I think more than that. I think it would be way more than 10. I think it'd be.
But I think the sun they did, I bet it was even smaller than a golf ball. I bet it was like a particle.
I don't care. I don't care.
Because if it was the size of a golf ball, it would have fucked shit up.
I don't want it on my Earth. I don't want a black hole.
Oh, I agree, dude.
That shit scares the shit out of me. It only takes, because they're doing it all out of ignorance. It's always out of ignorance. I'd rather them send a fucking diehard guy up in space and just throw him in a black hole. Then fucking create one on Earth and then fucking throw shit in it. Well, a rat couldn't communicate with you. They could do that first, but if they want some real answers,
and it wouldn't even do anything. It wouldn't even do anything for them to like put a camera on it or anything either, because like the electricity would just, it wouldn't be able to travel fast. It wouldn't be able to travel fast enough to get out.
It's a question they couldn't fucking like, even if they took all the steps to try and figure it out, it still wouldn't.
It'd basically just have to be a one-person experience. Like, you go in there, you never come back, but you'll know the answer for yourself at least.
Yeah, and you could die.
You probably would die.
Or maybe you go to a different reality. Or maybe a different realm of existence. Yeah, you never know. Or maybe it poops you out in another black hole across the universe or some shit. You never know what's gonna happen. That'd be all funny. Oh, guys, there's gateways, dude. We can fucking travel to like different galaxies. It's so sick. It's like, oh, but I can't tell anybody because I'm just gonna sit here and just die in space. I wish we really did know that though. Huh?
Yeah.
No. Well,
it's not because I don't know, actually.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean your body still can't age.
I don't know if you would physically be doing it or if you just mentally would perceive it to be like that.
Like there's a difference.
Your brain actually, because your brain's all electricity and everything too, so you wouldn't even be able to comprehend what's going on because the black hole eats up even light. Light can't even escape it, so I doubt your brain frequencies could be functioning at that point either.
I would just say like you're dead.
Yeah, you're dead before you even know that you're dead.
Yeah, like you